What's up, guys? Let's do a little pack opening. What should we open? Let's open one of these. See what we get. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Come on, give me something good. That's depressing. Right back. Ryan. No. Do a Legends. It's garbage. Oh, let's see. Let's open. Yeah, let's open this one. See what we get. Give me something good. Pretty sure I already got them. I'll keep him just because he's better than some of my old ones. Garbage.